depending on that facility location, you've got different environmental risks. You've got different, for instance, in wastewater, you may have a receiving water that is an impaired water. So there's more to do with that particular permit than if you're just discharging to a ditch per se. Yeah. Certain air permits are very different from one another, from facility to facility, very different. Attainment versus non-attainment. Are you a Title V permit or are you a minor source permit? Very different permits. So you want to kind of do an inventory of what's in place, what needs to be in place, what is in place, and that's really the gap analysis. Yeah. And then those things that need to be fixed, get on top of that, because that's where the penalty, the enforcement action kind of comes in. Potential reputational damage and lots of other risks. I mean, most importantly, risk to the environment comes in when those things aren't being done. Then there's this ongoing compliance in wastewater. There's monitoring. In air, there's monitoring. Are you doing that on a regular basis? And are you reporting that data to the respective agency? And are you exceeding your limitations? If you're exceeding your limitations, that's a flag. The operator needs to call that out, and there's a corrective action there. So how does that all get done?